In this video, we will show you the best Morph transitions in PowerPoint. So, take a look at this example. Create a thank you slide and zoom the image and change the content. So, see how we create this slide. So, let's start. Go to Insert tab, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Go to Insert, choose a WordArt style from WordArt gallery. Here we write thank you, for example. Select and go to Home tab. Change the font, size 115. Change the color to we want to copy some text and paste here. Now duplicate the slide, zoom out the slide, go to Format and select Crop and increase the size of image from all sides. Click outside the slide. Now select both the text boxes and place them outside the screen. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Oval, size 7 cm and 7 cm. Go to Shape Fill, select No Fill. Increase width size and select blue color. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right. Select all three and select Distribute horizontally from Align. I am using icon for example. Copy and paste here. Adjust icon to circle. Now select all three and choose the color. Select this and this one. Go to Format, Align Middle. Select this and this one. Go to Format, Align Center and Align Middle from Align. Select this and this one. Align Center. With both slides selected, go to Transition and select Morph. Now let's play the slideshow. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.